To use Sony TV without remote. In order to operate your Sony TV without remote, use the power button on the TV itself and potentially the plus and a minus button for basic functions like volume and channel selections. You could also use the Sony Bravia Connect app or a Google TV app on your smartphone as a remote control. That could be able to help you out. Now, using a TV's onboard power on button. The basic functions are power on and off, or volume, or channel selections, or input sources. And some of the Sony TVs, example H95, XH95, XH90, or XH80 models have only one button on the TV screen. And here's how you could actually use it. So as you could see that I've also listed out the prompts. So you could also follow this, or else what you could do is when the TV is off, so you could single press the power button to turn it on. And to show the operation user interface or UI when the TV is on, single press the power button. And similarly, to move the next item toggle when the UI is displayed, single press the power button. And to select the highlighted item when the UI is displayed, long press the power button. And to turn the TV off, long press the power button until the TV turns off. Now these are some of the basic functions you could do without the help of a remote. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.